Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Arlo base station and cameras after moving step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary equipment, including your Arlo base station, cameras, power adapters, and Wi-Fi connection information. Ensure that your new location has a stable Wi-Fi connection. Unplug your Arlo base station from its power source. Disconnect the Ethernet cable from the base station if it was previously connected to your router. Take your Arlo cameras down from their mountings. If applicable, remove any batteries from the cameras to prevent accidental activation. Next, position your base station in a central location in your new home, ensuring it is close enough to your Wi-Fi router. Plug the base station back into a power outlet. Connect the Ethernet cable to your router if using a wired connection. Wait for the LED indicators on the base station to stabilize, indicating it is connected to the internet. Now, move to your cameras and reinstall them in their new locations. Use the Arlo app to add your cameras to the base station. If you encounter any connection issues, reset the cameras by holding down the sync button until you see a flashing light. For each camera, follow the in-app prompts to resync them with the base station. Once all cameras are added, test each one to ensure they are functioning properly. Adjust camera settings in the app as needed for your new environment. Finally, confirm that motion detection and alert settings are configured to your preference. Your Arlo security system should now be fully operational in your new home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.